FTC. So, are you guys anxious for the results? So are we. So, I thought let's make some good use of this time and think upon FLL. One of the FLL, must-be condition is one adult member with the teams, right? And so is the condition with FTC to have one adult member. And without these people, the FLL would not have been on this level the way it is today. We would like to recognize all the people who have been instrumental in taking these programs forward. They can be your mentors, your coaches, anyone that has helped you so far.
Guys, we are presenting our special appreciations to those people who have been instrumental in bringing the program to this stage, what we are seeing today. So, guys, a huge round of applause for the names which we are going to take.
And the claps should not stop, right, guys? You should not stop clapping. Use your energy. First is Sharanya Nageshwara Rao. Sharanya Nageshwara Rao, are you here? Okay, so we have Sharanya. Then we have Jyoti, Miss Jyoti Switch from Manav Rachna. Okay guys, clap for them. They are the key instrumental people in First Lego League India. Jyoti Switch. Where are the cheers? Manav Rachna, all others, come on. And our very dear Asha Sundarajan. Where are you, Asha? Can we have you on the stage? And Mr. Sanjay Bansal. Okay, we see our Asha here. Let's call upon Mr. Sanjay Bansal. Come up, all the mentors. Okay. Following Mr. Sanjay Bansal, are very cute from Rajkot, Ms. Beenal Kamdar. Can we have you? And I would like to call upon now Mr. Murugan from Velamal International School. Where are you, sir? So you got to come up too. Yes, come with your mentor. You both come up. We are not leaving you like this. Big round of applause, guys. And let me tell you, oh my God, we have the results. Okay, but you have to wait for it. You have to wait for this. Okay, so we have Mr. Murugan. Let me tell you, Mr. Murugan has been an awesome host for the Chennai Regional. Really loved the time we spent there. Okay, where is Miss Rashmi Sherawat and Miss Sunaina Sood? Come on the stage, please. I am not able to hear enough clap, guys. Come on, these are the people. Mr. Balaji Ramani, Miss Rashmi Sherawat, can we have you on the stage? Mr. Balaji. Where is Mr. Balaji? Can we have you on the stage?
Anybody from his team?
Anybody from his team who would like to come and take the award or the certificate? Okay, we'll save it. Can we have now Mr. Rajiv Agarwal? Mr. Rajiv Agarwal and Miss Rita Aluwalia from Soppins. Where are you, Miss Rita? Can we have you on the stage? Okay, so there comes a beautiful lady, Miss Rita Aluwalia from Chandigarh. All right, guys, let's hear it for all of them. All right, guys. We have Mr. JP Tiwari from Genesis Global School, the host for this event. Mr. JP Tiwari, please come on the stage. Okay, yes, come on. He's the host for the evening. Give him a round of applause. Alright guys, so let's pose for a happy picture. You're standing so still. Show up your certificates. Okay guys. Thank you all, and we really keep looking forward to next year and all the continued support. Thanks guys, you're awesome.
Guys, they require a huge round of applause.